much are now? Like
2 point something. So like now, so this is something I haven't spoken about before. So before I was so meticulous with my trading journal, with these online journaling tracking software. And like, I got to see it once a week. I got to see it a few times a week. And I got to journal every trade. And like, this is part of a trader's journey to grow as a trader. Like, you got to do that. But then it got to the point where I have this skill now. I know what I'm doing. I'm disciplined. I have it by second nature, like this. So by me watching my profits every day, it's a psychological effect of like, I'm trading to see my equity curve go higher. I'm trading to, that guy made 2 million. I got to make more than him. Every day that guy made 1,000 yesterday. I need to make 2,000. If that guy made 10,000. It's like you're chasing all this stuff. So what I've done since about 1.5 years ago, and it's worked so well, but this is not for beginners. Because beginners need a journal as much as possible. I tell my students to make a daily report card, journal on top of that, and do a video review and share it with their friends, like a pod of people, and share it with each other and talk to each other about trading. Like, you got to do that. But for me, after a certain point, those milestones really mess with you. And when you see other people hitting milestones, they mess with you too. And it's like the comparison game. It's like what I mentioned earlier with the architects. Some guy has a BMW. Now you want a BMW. Like, what are you doing this for? So with trading is like, I stopped looking at that every so often. What I do is I know I'm trading well. When I'm trading well, I don't look. I look at the daily P&L. I had one day, I'll say it here, but like one day last week I made 35,000. The other day I made 10,000, 2,000, 3,000. Like, in the past, I would look at it every day and it'll be like a constant thing in my head. Now I look at it, I don't even remember the day I made 35,000. I think it was Thursday or Friday. But like, I try to forget about it. I just know I executed well. And like, I just look at the next day and like, I'm hyper focused and present at the moment, So when you're present, but like, if you got those miles, $1 million, oh my God. Or this month, I got to make 100,000. This month, 50,000, 30. It messes with you.
It's gonna drive you crazy.
Yeah, it does. And that's how I used to have those roller coaster swings. I make 150,000 one month, 100, and then I lose 100,000. And then I make 70,000 and I'll lose 40,000. And it's like a roller coaster, because I'm like, oh, I need to have all my money in my trading account because I got to compete against those guys. And so like, it's crazy. Like, you perform your best when you just focus in the present and like executing what's in front of you.
It's also like an ego thing to see like the balance is going higher. The win rate is so good. Like, you want to see the numbers look beautiful so you can share it. You can speak about it. Like, I have 95% win rate. So I've got 2 point something million in revenue this year, like,
that's exactly it. I saw a video of Kobe Bryant. He said like, he doesn't worry about winning, because if you try to win, you're going to try to force something that's not there. And, you try to be in the middle. You don't want to focus on winning. You don't want to focus on losing. You just want to be right in the middle, just making the best decisions. For him, it's the best shot all the time. Like, whatever he can do for that moment to make the best shot he can. So for me, at this point in my career, I'm hyper focused on executing the one good trade at a time. Just one. And then I trade and I do well today. And then like tomorrow, I forgot about what I did yesterday. I come in with the moment to do another one good trade. Just like worried about one day at a time. I'm not worried about beating other people. I don't look at any leaderboards. I don't look at any, like, God bless everyone. I want them all to make money. I know Lucas is killing it, but I don't ask Lucas, how much did you make today? How much you make yesterday? How much you make? And now I'm in competition with him. No. It's like, I want Lucas to go crazy, be a billionaire with trading, but like, I can't.
Like, you got to remove the noise.
Yeah.
And focus on your path, because each path is different, like, and everyone has a different environment in life, traumas, problems.